Hey friends, let's do When I See You Smile guitar lesson by Bad English. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along, and we'll do the solo at the end. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we don't play in the intro, then we have the verse. So we're just starting on a G chord. Our strumming pattern will be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And again, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And that's one bar, and we do the G for one bar. To C add 9 for one bar. To A minor for one bar. To D for one bar. And we just do that 2 times through, and that's the verse. Then we have the pre-chorus. We have 2 guitar parts here. We have a clean guitar and a heavy guitar. So we play guitar 1 for you. So this time we're just starting on a C, and we're just doing a down, 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 up to C over B. So half a bar on the C, half a bar on the C over B. Down, down, up. A minor, we're going to do this for a 3 count. We're going to do down, 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 up, down, down. Then go to the C over B, down, up. And then repeat that again, C. Down, down, up, C over B. And the D, 2 bars with our normal strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's our pre-chorus. So let me just do that A minor to the C over B there for you. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Back to the C there. Then we have the heavy guitar for the pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting when the acoustic goes to the D chord. We're just playing a D power chord, hold for 1 E-ander, 2 E-ander, and then do palm muting, 3 E-ander, 4 E-ander, and then just 1 E-ander, 2 E-ander, 3 E-ander, 4 E-ander, so just on the 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 E-ander, 2 E-ander, 3 E-ander, 4 E-ander, 1 E-ander, 3 E-ander, 4 E-ander. And it's a pre-chorus, and we have the chorus. Let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe, and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps out. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting on a G chord and hold for 2, 1, 2, going to a D over F sharp for 2, and then to C we're playing it 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to G, 1, 2, D over F sharp again, 4, and this time go to the C and hold 1, 2, 3, and on the 4 play the C again, then go to the D, and then back to G. D over F sharp, C 2 times, 2, 3, 4, back to G, D over F sharp, this time go to C and just hold for 4, 2, 3, 4, A minor we're going to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the and we're just going to add our 3rd finger on the A string and play the 2nd fret on the D string. To D and hold for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4. And that's our chorus there. Then from there we go back to the verse, but just play it through once instead of 2 times. Then we have the pre-chorus, guitar 1 or our clean guitar is exactly the same. Then we have guitar 2, let me play that for you. So pretty simple, we're just playing the A string, 0, 2, 3, then play 2, and then the open, and then do 2, 3, back to 2, then just play the D the same way we built up before in the other pre-chorus. So 2 and palm muted. So that last D is exactly the same. Then from there we have the chorus. We do that the same as before. Then we do the pre-chorus again with the guitars 1 and 2, the way we just did. Then we have the solo rhythm, so let me play that and we'll do the solo at the end. So we're just starting with an E minor and hold for a bar. 2, 3, 4. Go to a D over F sharp, hold for a bar. 3, 4, a B minor this time, 1 bar. And then finish on the E for a bar. 3, 4. And that's a solo rhythm. As we said, we'll do the solo at the end. Then we have the last chorus and it's got a key change. Let me play that for you. So this time we're just starting on the A power chord, to the E power chord for 2, to the D power chord for a bar and play 2 times, exactly the same as our other chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the A, 2, E for 2, and then our D, 1, 2, 3, play the D again to E, and do that line through 2 times, and then we go back to the start again. A, D, D twice, and then to finish off A, D, D, and then just finish on the second fret on the A string. And they're all the rhythm parts there. Then we have our solo, so let me play that for you. So we're just starting with our whammy bar in on the open E string and let it come out. Then do a bend on the 15 on the B string. Then do a bend on 14 on the G string. Back to B, 15, E, 12, and then bend 14 on the G. Release that and just play 14 on the G. Then we're jumping to 14 on the E, 2 bends. 12, and then B, 15, 15, slide up to 17, then do a bend on 15 again. So that last little part. Then do the bend on 14G again. 15B, 12 on the E, back to a bend on 15B. Then do a bend on 17 on the E. Play 16 E, 17, pull off to 16, B, 17, 15, G, 16, 14, 13, D, 14, and just finish on the A power chord there. And that's our solo, and that's all the guitar part. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. When I see you smile, guitar listen. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.